come my way. Oh yeah.
Opoku, Opoku, Opoku. Look at something in this school. Be very, very, very careful when it comes to me. How can you get the courage to go and stand in front of the headmaster and tell him that now I'm associated with his daughter? Now is that your case? Opoku, be very, very Opoku. We are both gossips in this school. If you are angry that I've gotten your if you are angry that I've gotten your thing and I've gone to put it in front of the headmaster, and then now you are trying to do the same, don't try, Opoku, or else what I will do to you in this school, you will not like it. Don't let my eye deceive you, Opoku. Still, I will beat you.
One in TNF crowd. You be the whole world don't want in TNF. Two team one and no. Mamma Cassim Joe. Kukuru Nanya ya. Kikaki can't nyai. And as when yat tata. You could people me now one. Eh? Von. It's better for you so bako again who catch and say she should come back to me. And now get ready for whatever.
Opoku, Aquel.
Mimi
Aquel cramum. Awo. There you are, Hano.
As a macquan.
No, our Aquel wadrin, oh, boom day.
Mema dream boom. Our jam in me catch him there, Mema dream boom. Fanfula. Your friend say. Your friend say.
Dot.
Your friend say.
O for
the
Opoku.
Good. Now him say friend O for Opoku na wo Jimmy kyerɛ me. Suku mo anyina kura me say. Ma puni na da mesem se kusua. We keke no hwede wani aye. Me speedy wo so a e be tan. Ofula, se me speedy wo so a be tan en challenge me. Koka kyerɛ ge na sumdwem. Na ge na mra me ho asumdwem na ho nto wa sumdwem. Enye saa. A snake will bite you.
You can't come in and sing these whatever this type of pocus words are. What are you trying to tell me here?
Pocus.
You can't even say it.
Pocus.
Pocus.
Asema bana fe na wodi nam dictionary.
Opoku, don't start. Opoku, don't start.
Me ha opeto ye friend. Me ha.
Don't start.
Say far for now say no ope. Inti me ha opeto ye ni friend. O ba na wo ye say ba.
Opoku. Can they on? I'm a boy now. I'm into me.
Ebo me hwene do.
A body. I'm bored in a body.
Ebo me hwene do. O blow kra blow next na. O mo bra mo wonsa. Blow mo anya blow. Look at give me blow. Fa wo check de e wo wiem. Give me blow. Ba metima boss e tem. Me blow e botem. O te tem. Wa ko say. Fanfula. Over time one by me so mama to one. Ofula, go tell the girl that she should come back to me, or else
I won't tell her anything. I won't tell her.
Or else I'll kill you.
Opoku, then we will kill ourselves in this school.
You will kill
ourselves.
Ofula, you will kill me.
I'm not scared of you, Opoku. Don't try me.
When you find me, you are not scared of me.
Opoku.
Now me two blow fire, better with my two blow fire. Me two blow, if I have better with my two blow fire. Who mo have 1 hour? 1 hour outside, me two over me.
Opoku. Don't try.
Fanfula, what you go?
Opoku, now you're no saying. If I say we are coming to fight, you don't have the stamina. You can't.
Jimmy, I'm did now. I'm did now. Fanfula, try. So there was someone else that team one. I can't say buy me mama that one. Right? Up bottom. Ube jina me many ma catch me say. Kwasi na say ya. What say ya? Fanfula, mimi ya obi dey ya meboa. Mimi ye obi de eye oya. Oko headmaster aka say mimi ne ba sha honom. Ase adum de headmaster de ya me. Boy, try. Opoku. Hey, Opoku. Fanfula. Opoku. Eni Jimmy blow na mamwa no.
Opoku.
Hey. Oh, say mamwa blow. Me the boy I see am bra. Me too see o.
Opoku men try mu.
Sa wa ha no.
Me de.
Oh, apa John na show ha no. Apa John na wa nya. Me dwiri ni na.
Opoku, I'm mebireki.
Where?
Mebireki.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pese me come any months so meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwana me know the parties they come my way.
Oh, passing. Come. Breather. I guess you are at the hostel, right? Take your bag. You're tired. Oh, my bad. Tomorrow I will hire Okada. Do you know Adedata?
What?
Adedata. Okada.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that when we immediately close from school, he will come pick you up and drop you here.
Okay.
It is a promise, huh? My pretty little angel. I like this song. It says it's an Indian song, huh? It says Dunia bulake tumse minahu ikli hedil se gerwa rante tumuhe gerwa. Moja tumse pyare hai. Sister Britta, you know today I want to take you out for dinner. Where would you like to go? Yeah.
Lancaster.
What?
Lancaster.
You like Lancaster? No problem. Anything for you, mama. So I can pick you up. I want you to dress in red. You know, you put on your red dress. You know, I want us to match colors. I also wear the red trousers here.
Huh?
Or you don't like the combination?
Red and blue.
You don't like the red and blue? Okay. So how should I dress? You know, any color, just name it, baby. Anything for you, mama. How do you want me to dress? Jeans and black tee. Okay, no problem. I will dress for you. Things that I couldn't do for some people, I will do it for you. I will take you to Lancaster. Anywhere you want to go, mama. I got you, mama. No problem. If I fall, I fall for you, mama.
You left the class early. I'm tired. You alright? Yeah, I'm fine. Are you sure everything is alright? Yeah, I'm okay. You look so happy. I have to. You said only the Okosu. Oh. The Okosu. Why is there something going on between you and Aroma? There's nothing going on between us. Why? You always look happy when you're with him. So how many times have you seen me with Aroma? A couple of times. I just don't approach. As you can see, he's a pastor, so there is nothing going on between us. We're preaching keke. What is that? Nothing more, nothing less. There's nothing going on. And maybe I know my brother, so Obabe has got me. There's nothing going on. Okay. I'm gonna mommy provisions in here. I beg. Gary and Shito. I have Kalipo. Your Kalipo is saying. Oh, Gary and Shito got shit. Alright. Sister-in-law. Of course.
Yeah, me pen kwana me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me ya. Me pesa me come any months I drum me ya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will.
Daddy. Yo. Me fula. Me fan fula. F for fanfula. F for fanfula. Adi emi ni na ye anyade. Ese me hunabo. Ana wo adane one night.
Ana one open.
One open. Uno yo so boss anu.
Yeah.
Kafra. Fanfula de no kan ti ase ye adwuma. Aka eni se akoba se you.
Opoku. I know that's not why you called me. Opoku, you said you have something important to tell me. Tell me and then let me go back to the door.
You see the twem de manim twem. The mwana di de momundi nko. The aka na wo se bon ban. Fula. Sa ge no awon na nyim no. E o de say asantoa no. Fula. Me hunyo mebu gen wo ye me masem pa o. Fula. Gen wo ye me masem na me no. Me pese me mu wani da wo no mebi o. Gen wo mu awo. Fula. And again, you hear nkura nyinsa na nya wo dia wo.
Opoku, I'm aware. I know that she won't help me. I've already decided that I won't even do anything with her.
You are aware?
I'm aware.
Because girl, no matter what you school man, be calculating you maybe perhaps. Oh, no, never marriage now. Oh, no, never marriage now. Important is your mukran. Still, our boys traffic home. Oh, wow. Mimi say, Tatiana say, most of Tatiana have been bent. Tatiana, most of need you know. She say, me, my Jim. Tatiana meant to me and Tinabim. My Jim, most of need you know. So we know about one antenna. That's it.
Hey. Opoku, you're a better man. Opoku, I didn't know that you're a better man like this. I just.
Oh, yeah. Me pewasem. Tatiana didn't make her. Person on the town. 2 pen. So that's what they want, you know.
Oh, me, I'm just waiting for her to give birth. When she gives birth, she'll go her way. I also go my way. She can't come and trouble me again.
I'm so doing what's a simple.
Opoku.
And that's what stress was what Titi was school might be.
Opoku, too much stress. Opoku, look at me. Young boy like me, look at my face.
You can't make her. It won't find Jimmy flu so.
I'm fun question.
Uncle. Ready was small. Fun question. What? Get on wow. Me cry no. Me my man me say nearby brothers. Me am a fair chida for bath for the number.
Dema.
My man me poor bad number. Umbe.
Opoku, I would like, by all means.
You like the girl?
Yes.
Yes, I told the penokra.
Opoku, right now it's just stress. I just want this pregnancy, just like I said, I just want her to give birth, and then this pregnancy she will just disappear. It's not every day you come and meet me that I found full. I'm a mess will be papa and I be from that I found full.
I name. Let's a crowd or cry as a crying to her. Only.
Oh, so I found the one he bruni pan. I'm a minju.
Oh, Bruni, they obey because again, we Bruni. It's head there, Bruni to obey.
Oh, there on a bruni. I'm assuming you bring on Obey will free at us.
I will free Albino.
Tiwanye will free on the one meza.
Albino. Mate, found full. I made our civil say, over me to train come.
Me, I'm going for my medical.
Now, my shout out.
Shout out?
Oh, last words.
My last words. Big ups to you, Opoku gang.
Guys, gang.
Me, I'm going for my medication, okay?
Oh, okay, okay, no matter.
Yeah. Have you taken your own?
Yeah. Oh, minumbiano pan.
Oh, now what's when till why they trombone and I'm
and first then I'm more than ton. They say them. Also, they say when in Ireland, they say Ruja. I cannot ball you.
Oh, my sister, my recording studio and I'm very track.
Left eye.
Okay. Left eye. I'm in the left eye close at us.
Oh, okay. Oh, no, black with any left eye open. And I then left eye close. Left eye close. Oh. And I live in a city of police. I know they try to be one of their cities. I think smart to this Aquaima Gani, and I trade carefully. Some people are don't give a little good rusty man, cause I keep on boiling in pain. I keep on boiling red musa. What I say, Munani? For us, until they call Viviania. Why? You bedding come. Why? Okay.
I'll show you.
Martin, remember who do ye? Who do ye? The fullest from Fuller.
Opoku.
Recording now. You are aware?
I'm aware.
Because again, no matter where you school, the calculating you may be past. Oh, no, never marriage now. Oh, no, never marriage now. Important is your mukran. Still, our boys traffic. Oh, wow. Mimi say, I know nothing. I'm not doing Yabasu. Tatiana say, most of Tatiana have been bent. Tatiana, most of what need to know. She say, me, my Jim. Tatiana meant to be an antenna. My Jim, most what need to know. So I know about one antenna. That's it.
Opoku, you're a better man. Opoku, I didn't know that you're a better man.
Let's open. Oh, yeah. Oh, Charlie, Pewasem. Tatiana didn't make her. Person on the town. Confirm. 2 pen. Tell us what they want in, you know. Oh, person on the town. That's it. Opoku, you're a
brother man. Opoku, I didn't know that you're a brother man like this. That's hell yeah. Oh, Charlie, me pawase. Are Tatiana didn't make her.
Confirm.
Confirm.
Ena. Baby, odidi ke na tem.
Opoku, I would like by all means. They are baby because again we Bruni. They are Bruni.
Titi na tem.
Shout out. Oh, last ways.
Oh. Menya, again ibeti. Na wo me to school mu a wo. Na wo ye use adwene na wai. Ha? Me. Bra, eba adwene se enu su kupe ni dupe dia bra. Me panyin wo mu. Mo, da bi fan full ala akra. Ah, wo me on timi ntake o. Da bi o take so me twa wo. Me twa to form, yeah. Aje baba God. And so be a board then.
There are some of the group boys.
Why didn't you wait for me after class?
Sure. Yo, me, the way I'm thinking myself right now, is some way you. I can't come and use your stress under my stress. Remember, use your stress and phantom and who's where? See ya. What's wrong?
You help me out, I'm tired.
But Jibag not 12 or so. Yes,
I came here to tell you something.
What? Yo, talk to me. I'm in a hurry.
Calm down.
Talk to me. What's wrong?
It's about your sister.
My sister? What's my sister do?
Your sister.
Why are they?
She's been coming to the boys' dormitory like she sleeps here.
My sister?
Your sister, I'm a Britta.
Come to the boys' dormitory. To do what?
Then she's been working with some girls on campus. I don't want to mention names.
Are you talking about my sister? I'm a Britta.
Britta. Of course, Britta.
Again, what about Mara? I'm on your
Bonnie said no woman now, but I can't show.
Because as a man, I can. My boy, some bonuses here.
You'll be son of country.
When on your man, can't tell you also. Then you know who I can't tell me.
And to be some.
Hey, me, I hate liars. I hate liars. You think I'm a kid? Huh? You think I'm a kid? Stand here and lie to me. Like my sister is working with some boys and some girls. I didn't know boy, I can't tell you boy.
No boy, babe. No, my free was told.
And they can't even pray.
Say now, babe, I'm coming castle.
Don't tell me. I'm
not cool.
Hey, we will. As a man can be a new chair for so cool. What's it? You are 119. Ninya ho. 119.
Some guys on campus. Ask her.
Hey, I'm a Britta pa. I cry wrong. She am na kwotena fie pa ma ebia adwuma be ne nani nye ho.
Say na man kwa na dey be ne dada mi.
Are wan?
Last time no kalipo.
Hey! I'm this Edru Kalipo. Hey! Me and we Jimmy me say Edru say o.
What's what Jimmy say na me?
Oh Jimmy dey we Jimmy say o. We Jimmy say o. Me do yan akra me koto no wa bia mabu na me kunu.
I am an intermediate no.
Mabu na bia me kunu.
Bono.
Hey! Why am I on your man? I'm bit much in.
I've done my part. Go and ask her.
You done your part, okay? Bra. I'm in Cassim show. Next week and birthday.
He didn't why?
What about that? Make catch, next week and birthday. So I want now for 4 now. Move post him no. Catch her. Say more beyond try husband in Guasi. I'll tell you some make a job. You can't catch her. Say more beyond control husband in Guasi. Mean they too now for 4 no. Post him. Man, try our husband be on Guasi and I'm a liar. Me say. Bibi say I want to about what has not catch on.
What then I say?
I'm found. Can live here. Hey,
Marita. Me can't chill. Insanga me dance.
Hey, this girl want to find problem for me. We're in this school. I'm the one feeding you, buying food, buying anything for you. You see, you are progressing me. How can you progress in me? My own sister is progressing me. Or show me I day. Or show me. I just say who there who take ya no on. Say ka tintin kakra on ka minim de obey. O take to us eh. Come from.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me ya. Me pesa me come any months with me ya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah.
Hey, toi.
Ade.
Sans toi.
Ade.
Au bien niveau. Sans toi.
Ade.
Sans toi.
Then over me MCC me that will be the
Eh, ma wo ye mon show was sans toi. Na me kura me ye ma show chen. Sans toi. C'est fon fula o no ba ko kura o.
I'm full of Ben and
Sans toi. Yes, I punch any free so make us a dench me wa ye na chine. Me na me fon fula o hostel. Fon fula no kiti say. Na ni nkomo o didi wo hostel. Na asantoa no kura obi nyi se na ode abehye me na asantoa no kura me ma ne de da rough rough
anyi se na me de na abehye na ho
minim se ye den ya obegimi
minim se asem we wa na afese obeka sa asem we kire me ene wa sheda na ode hye fanfula me boa
me kan minim se ye den ya obegimi chine bibi ase no ese wotumra no wa kire sie recording ene fanfula ti wo din komo na ma recording ense ma fanfula kanu na santoa minim se fanfula otansa ena minim jo ho adwenbone sa wo boy no o de wa jiboneti otrofo no se ne dance ni wo Canada boneti
ene de okonhon se wo de evidence aka ho
da bi me kon say evidence nko me people no kwa we
de bi se bi wo ya utwantro
we nyina evidence o all of this
so nyina amafo ho
sem ko wakrata ni kutano no ise onyin na disay
me di janyin sem na asem ni kan
one real na one show ho den asem a wo beti one real abapon you closing time
sa
asem a wo beti what about me some of kan
ti fanfula ti me say
santo just listen to it me pe wa say mo school mo but sometimes I wo ye me bi wo no ma and
so the evidence but say now catch me say na and ma me pe wa asem no na to da
asem bia on pe ma na me di bibi be che na
be wa asem just that I don't try to do what the maminti say me tie pa no boy we pa
afula asanto de janu asanto amau asanto de janu bra
na jesi free visa mami start
why are you telling me to leave asanto aso amau what is wrong with you? How dare you? I thought you even come to say some sensible things to me. You come here and then this is what you are trying to tell me about the mother of my unborn child. My mother, where Papa?
You see, I'm full of necessary. I'm the man in the voice. One way I will
slap you if you dare try me. And to who does Asantua? Opoku, I love Asantua. Jimmy, get away. What? Listen, I know about I want to eat Jimmy. Listen, I know, but. Listen, now check our plan. Said our plan session yum. Listen, I'm white. Listen, I'm triffiati. Opoku, it is my son or my daughter, whatever it is my child. You can't come and sit here and say Jimmy, stop fooling. Me say me go Opoku me say Asanto Jimmy on him answer. A brand new ba. And I'm a school fan fuller. I'm a so messy on a meba medon. What does Asanto inyo?
I won't have my room, sir. Mom said the team, but it's a photo. Tia Santo now with transfer, baby, what you do nice. Oh, at Santua, baby, what you tea. Wait a minute, you cry and retreat. Santua Uti. And to walk. Anyway, did you not tell the train? Just a week or two for so own jam to me, you want them that. I'm the phone no before this is.
Phone no be hold on. Na lock ne eh then out me be lock.
I'm just a me cry me do want because I some from full can no. As I did not switch it. I'm a mema kasa answer. I switch it like I done able to. Ti me cry me nim the editing.
What should that some be too?
I didn't put me fear be phone na yen sir.
Fear be for.
First of course when
Eh o se me nyimo.
Anything.
Eh o se me nyimo.
Tia because you say there.
Me catch you and then me try mo who say me
see Opoku
What the media go about the ham?
Frate, any put you want some assist.
Me should be next time. So wouldn't you not try? So better to me the halful and tempt you out. Don't you mind me the baby? Me a minute sooner. Opening I in
Bosso. They are banner bosso.
For no crime, Mrs. Oh, bet you me shaky. Oh, can't so much. You ask how the snatcher. Just open so just a 1 year. Mrs.
Uncle said you man, I was in the child. Mwame, Conconsam Mwame. Or some of them are good in a go. I'm Jabby Pia. Santa Fachem Wati.
Mimi fan
I tell me we are so told Bonnie become one. Fachem Wati. Boy, need the assembly of a camp, but me name at the Kudia a buyer, and I send a buyer, and not in the voice need to Mr. Saya. Mimi Mum will come once and Bonnie or no Mum come once and pa. I said to Miss Hobby. Many boy need to come on. Oh, do what ten or 1 pound. Now, get no above from Tatiana on an engine of Hona and some below.
Record the out the buy, Opoku. And it you okay.
And I'm a John one minute, you know. And no, as you see, I'm a John 1 minute.
I don't send me a colana.
Why in the spirit to be in the channel?
When a spirit to be do it, consa spirit. And they do it.
Madame, I'm patrolling from Fuma.
Let me find my own. Me farmer what that.
I don't know call reporting police station, Babachwatu.
I'm about to me.
Nipa me no mabu nipa ba.
Opoku dey try.
Open for boy nipa me no na bo.
For police station honom. E honom be hu se me act pa. E honom be hu. Ko for police for ne bra me chain me here me chain.
That's oba dipem.
Ko for mo bra.
Ma to from phone.
Me farmer o. Would now be had. Be come mama o dey opa be ha.
I to what is me phone.
Me seize.
I don't know who Niana.
Bra. Be mama wo.
Santua. Chaya dia wo ya no ne ja dia wo chire no na fa mama.
Be ji ma wo. Me twa wo bra be ji ma wo.
Aroma. What's the same na odin sa?
I'm sorry.
It's same na me say titibio na. Talk to me. It's same na me titibio na.
What's somebody?
Hey! Christ! Why do you have to do this, operator? Tell me! You are in this school and you are doing wenchy. You are in this school and you are doing cooking. Like who one with Johnny Mama for no boy? Operator, see, this life, you too for no one tia, who can't tear day. Yes, I'm going to tell you. Who to school one with Johnny Mama for?
What do when you say Manuel Janiam?
We can't try our answer. They are my yo, I see. I know. It's a young Kanamuana.
Boy, you washing Kakena. Me, Yama, brother James.
Why?
And your brother James.
Then how? Yo, we catch you. Sign your money in your signature. What has some catch on?
No, no, to me for near the other. No, until say me, school my son says, say, me, you'll be an amo just or no. Okay, I'll be in Tina, my sister.
The same can who say Jimmy on. Why shall I walk with you? So I say our school, you stop the school and go home.
I won't stop the school.
You won't stop the school? Mammy can't see me, Joe. But name your first and last time, I was on this guy. It's Joe, and I see you be a man. What's some make a chono? What's some make a chono?
Brown, why in your mini power into me, man, and I.
You are mad, no boy, so. What the can you? Unfortunately, you know, man, this time I'm looking you and you are disturbing. What's it? What do you mean?
Unfortunately, me, Jimmy, you. Me, buano. What you say, me, buano. But that's it. Mama, and you not share me.
Oh, who are dear Suda? Just come on, unfortunately, Utimenka.
I know it. Now, what's on it?
Unfortunately, Utimenka. What do you? And the young man school and be careful. Don't push my temper to the wall. I'm serious this time around. Don't look me as your brother so bibi am the better. Don't. Emba. Say what you say make a chono?
Matse.
Say. I mean so this abo ni chan okwa bio.
What dear, watch na miss last one a man.
Well, I'm sure I know. I know what you want. Me come you to our own.
I can criminal now to one sir. What dear tway?
Into the move. What do you want to me?
Rush you. Go buy some me de new abeto for am so na buo.
Pity the go in your journey give you. Why? Huh? I don't wait to me, sir.
Oh,
I'm sorry. You can't get your own tea. Boy, you are in the number one. What be both in my business? Please get what it. Live here. Hey, come cry here, me then come sick out of the Tomino. Jana call. Jana Conade, so me found you are. Jana Quay. I saw cry and catch her out here, who's able to me. I see only man who's on the boy now. Let me see. You just let me see you and this boy and standing there. You run. You see the temper of my side, I swear.
Yeah, me pen I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me yeah. Me person me come any months I drum me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso drum me yeah. Me person me come any months.
Aroma.
What is it?
Why are you behaving that way? I've been calling you since.
And who said I didn't hear you? I heard you.
So why didn't you mind me?
Why should I mind you? Well, what do you want?
I wanted to talk.
Hey! Don't touch me, please. Don't touch me. You can. I can hear you, please. I don't have ear problem. I can hear you.
Why are you being hard on me?
You know, I've applied shea butter here and it is melting. So if you don't have anything saying, let me go, please.
There's something here. Let me take it.
I swear, wallahi, if you touch me, I will slap you.
Mama, calm down for me. I'm just a girl. Why are you being so hard? Like, it's not nice. It's not fair. Let's just have a normal talk, okay?
Seer, I said you can't talk. Why do you want to touch me? If you don't touch me, you can't talk.
You won't hear me. That's the thing.
I won't hear you. And who said I have ear problem? If I had ear problem, I wouldn't have left you. I heard you were talking gibberish about me. That short guy.
I never said anything bad about you.
You talk, I'm listening. Seer, please.
You just listen, okay? And calm down, cause if not for anything, we were once lovers. Don't do that. Aroma.
When I see you, I see regrets, you know. I can see regrets, Seer. I can see.
No, you're playing.
You know, you didn't value me, right? You took my kindness for granted. You thought that was all. You know I loved you. You know. You were aware that I loved you, Seer.
I said I'm sorry.
You're sorry for what? You know, I don't have any problem with you. That is, I don't understand. Why do you think I have problem with you? I don't have any problem with you, Seer. But the thing is, I've moved on. So you do same, girl.
You've moved on.
You did that before me. Come on, I don't even have to explain this here, please. Wait. If you don't have anything to say, you can let me go.
You've moved on. Wait, let me ask you. I've been seeing you with my friend. That girl. Amma.
Amma? Who is Amma?
Britta.
Britta?
Yes, Britta.
What's up? What's up with Britta?
I've been seeing you guys occasionally. Like, you guys be here and there.
And so?
I wanted to know if there's something going on between you.
You're playing, right? You wanted to know if there is something going on between Britta and I. Why do you want to know? Why?
She's my friend. I want to know.
Seer, please. I don't want you to cross your limits. Whatever thing that is going on between Britta and I is our problem, not yours. So please mind your business.
I'm looking out for you. You know I
hey,
like you.
I'll slap you, eh? You think I'm joking with you, huh? Are you mad? Jesus!
Aroma.
I will punch you. I think I'm joking, eh? I will punch you! Stupid girl! Go away from here! If you don't have anything to say, I'm going.
I'm sorry.
See, if you touch me again, I'll punch you. I'm not joking. Besides, headmaster has even taken my Bible, so I'm not a man of God now. If you joke with me, the way I will slap you, you need to concentrate. You see how my day is treating? That guy is treating you like trash. That is what you have to concentrate on. He even think you don't have blood in you. Look at how he's treating you. Did I do that to you? I never did that.
I'm sorry.
You don't appreciate the good ones. You know, they have to treat you poorly before you realize that you've lost something. Please.
And that's my uncle and my...
That time you're what? Your uncle. Well, go and concentrate on that your abusive boyfriend. Wait. Come and clean the sweat for me. Oh, no problem. Come on. We are cool.
Thank you.
Come.